Morning, good afternoon, good evening, my people. I greet you, my Namibian people and outside Namibia. In fact, I'm greeting everybody in the whole world. I'm greeting you, my people. How is the morning and evening and afternoon? How is your country? How is your village? How is your region? How's everybody there? Yeah. Here, it's Letty. Yeah, it's Letty that's greeting you today. I just want to say something. Shiwambone, because I'm a Swambo speaking. I cannot really speak in English. Yeah. Yeah, ndala tupopini. Kumbinga vaitaveli. Ashuna manima because of different. What is here? There's nothing. Don't go here. Because of vaitaveli. Ashuna manima. Because of Christian and pastor and apostle and prophet. It's like this, ne? No. Ashuna manima. Let me say ne. Pay I congrega ne. Ya pastor ngad. If I take in the for pastor number. Pastor Paulus or Pastor Matthew or Pastor any. Akalunga joke in the pastor. A pastor no name Pekwa. Tamano kuche missionary man magashidil tanti atinga gashidolini. No rachono pia mwanene ndemwindila pengo 500 and yalula ndini pangi. Lande mwindila pengo shonumba ndini shipangi. What kind of a man of God are you? Let me disappoint you. God is not your mate. God is not your mate. Itoduru kushuna manima because the man of God did not help you. You asked for a heaven, he did not help you. Let me tell you something. Inima ilongo kinga. Onfita na nunga shovenjishi. Yes, kuchane yokunomi po yakalunga. I know. But there's no big difference between you and him. No. Let me tell you. Onfita kuno kutara esto que mundile kwa fasha pena. Vano vale kukenge lowa fita. Vale kukenge lowa fita. Pale ke kupeo kwa fo ndi tai ni jilada tashuna monyoni wai fujo peno wana muhali ya mongereka onuta acting na fala kalunga na watakale shino kujala no kwayo mweli takwa feno mongereka no sasho kwala kukaleli close to pastor nifiko takaleli momumbwe pala pastor mka fermendelo. So pastors are not like that, ne? They are not like that. Weekend ngengo ya konfita ndo wahale ke kukwafele desha kukwafela voto shuna mulu ndoe ilo mongereka yepa motodimo okay kuja mongereka shina ngone shibanga. Let me say tushuna mulu ndoe, my friend, let me tell you, kongereka shwa yako wayako muro pasti lo yako walo mwenyewe ukahubifwe waya kalongela pasti lo akupandike kupasta. That's the question. Let me tell you one thing. One fitana making a show. Ashike mangino shuna money ma think first. Kucha ototo kukala pasti ne kupe opafo muro pamagena shango nandi no fita pamagena he na une problem na adu kale hena. Ndo si mashuko abali adulu no ho kutaranga shinenda tala ndende monombo yanga wote adulu kutara kucha kwale ke kwafira ndi tashina mani ilo kwale kwafira nde kwalanga kwafira hiri kuno mumbwe otadu kwafira andi udu kwafira ndi takaile kaluka. But sometimes ono kwafira ndi kenas ashikene disappoint ngenge onanga pastori mumwindile kwafa ndine kwafira batamono kucha no amtandi ali kwengeka shina na batabili fana kucha Kristina bara kwafira. It's not like that. Don't call a man wicked or a woman wicked. No, the person's not wicked. There are wicked people. Didn't say they are not. Ukucheke fimbole moni de kukwafele because we pekanunga tailombo kucha don't help that person because of ABC. God knows the reason. Nicha besha iha kwafele fimbole me okalunga te balompere. No. Ucheke fimbole me. Tetekanunga talombo no kuche ino kwafela. Shashe fimbola pam fimbola inalifika na tangu. Obudi te kucha ngino wale kwa phone na but God say no, not today. It's tomorrow or it's next month. He knows. In fact, he can see far beyond. Shashingenge pamo kwa phone lipiwanena. Bobote kuchanga lipumbale na ashu no mumu. But sheko lipiwanena. Sheko kenda pe wanga panale shongo la kushonga. Wanga panale shongo. Owa una 500 dai meke yokwiteka kandura po mumbwenya obo enda le ape nombela ohambela nge yoitandifie panani walando mbela simali was a problem osi anona palinga shosho no eteka unga tati no, don't help this lady or don't help this man today, help her on Friday ne wala ne kushina mani hasi pasta neno kwatike nasha fikwena sha tekupe wala kushina mani masho don't rush God, okay? Don't rush God. Nantondokela nande enda ni fimbo. Omanya mkulu akalungo haya ni fimbo lao. Omanya mkulu tatiko vapia umwana haya ni fimbo lao. Okuchiki ngengo to shuna monima shashibati pasine ukwafela lo ngrizi onumbine ukwafela umongereka yani my friend shuna monima ndeto kashake negasazana kwa elimefikura hunini. Yeso. I'm sorry to disappoint you. Otanka shake negasatana mefikura hunini. Kweli tanka mitingana Satan. You think if you go back to your iniquity, who will perish? Is it not you? It's you now. The pastor will not perish. Only ngenge pamwashu na moni ma pamwamolwe kula nai pam. Ngenge pamwe kula nai yeah, pastor will perish. But ngengi ne kula nai toshu nege moni ma shashibati ne kukwafela aye. That's not a reason to God, my friend. It's not a reason to God. So, na tugenda balene, tukalenye hatutambulako ongalo. Yeah, ongalo ngo. Tambulako ongalo ilinga shiri. Ngengo no kwati kenasha, sometime kenasha kujane pa kwati kenasha ndo kuna mali na ukwafela. It's fine. God is there, He is watching. God is there, He is watching. So, onu kwati kenasha, pamina ukwafela, tateka ngote ukwafela. Okay, baba. Tateka ngote ukwafele inotila inolimbelilo ino wali nande ishinda kutonkume na ucha inoshina manimo moro ashina ukwafela konfita. Please, it's for your own good. It's for your own good. Ngengo ashina manima koma timboe mefugula huna toka ya maheli o momento kivelembeti. Don't blame the devil. Don't blame the devil. But we have power now to overcome that. God is not dead. He's not sleeping. He never forgets. In fact, the reason why you are still alive is because of by the grace of God. So, they blame God too much. But it's not God's plate. Go get your plate. But it's not God's fault now. It's not God's fault at all. It's your own fault. Pray. Okay, I'll come clean up. It's your own fault. Pray to God. God will hear you. God will answer you. He will give you power again to stand up. Okay? But don't insult God. Ndare bucha inashina manima morashmanya na makwafu ko baitebeliba kweni iloko bafita afita nanu ngashove na aduru kwanduka nande kuno meko yapogi aiduru mwili. Thank you. God bless you. Sharp.